everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, let's check out what's going on with you guys on your romance, career, relationship and financial part, Leos. Okay, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, so let's check it out what's going on with your romantic love life. These are the clarifiers. Okay, I don't know why your energy is so distributed, so spreaded. Okay, just ignore the background sound, guys. Okay, so yeah. Wow, see, I'm taking this one. Okay, I don't know why, but I feel that you are feeling very energetic. Like, this is a Leo month, so happy birthday to all the Leos out there. But yeah, you are feeling very energetic. Okay, and also I feel that you are releasing all the confusions and burdens. Okay, about certain things, about certain situations, about certain decisions. Okay, you are moving ahead. You are no more giving a fuck about taking actions towards someone or something, and you are moving forward. Financial abundance is on the horizon, guys. Your karmic cycle has ended on the 31st of July. Individual karmic cycle, who were dealing with financial issues from last 5 to 7 years, and those things are ending. And I feel that you're releasing those energies. Okay, okay, so let's check it out. Your romance, career, relationship and finance. Romance, self-love, self-care is the utmost priority in the month of August for you guys. You are holding back from a situation or a person or a connection. Okay, you are not communicating. I think there is less or no communication right now, but you are holding back from a connection because you are prioritizing yourself over someone or something. Okay, into your romantic love life. Your career life, Leos, is that you're releasing all the confusions when it comes to your career life. Okay, if you had any sort of confusions or conflict into your head when it comes to which career path you should choose, how you want to proceed, whether you want to move forward or not, whether you want a new opportunity into your business or your career, choosing a new project, choosing a collaborations, and so now you're releasing all those confusions, and now you are ready to take I think you are ready to give a message or send a message, mail or text, or you are ready to communicate about an offer to someone. Okay, it might involve a collaboration as well, new project as well, new business as well, new job opportunities as well, switching up of a job. Okay, so you are ready to take an action towards an offer. Okay, which you are waiting for. Okay, now you won't be thinking, you won't be confused into your career life. You are gaining a lot of clarity. What are you those things which you are supposed to do? Relationship, you're releasing an addictive relationship, abusive relationship, or if this connection didn't serve you anything much better, then you're releasing this. It might, for few of you, you might be releasing a marriage, or you are moving forward, moving away from a marriage, moving forward alone, singlehood energy. Okay, so yes, you are releasing all the devil and negative and toxic people, toxic situation, toxic lifestyles from your life. It might involve a married also, a couple also who are getting separated. Okay, so yeah, and a few of you who are single, you might get an opportunity to get married this month, or you might an opportunity to meet a person who will have a long term connection with you for a long time. Okay, so few of you might enter into a relationship as well, but you are releasing all the toxic energies within you or around you, and now you are ready to move forward into your life, into your relationship path, Leos. Okay, one important thing, guys, if you are a karmic partners, then the relationship is going to get end. If you are a soulmate or a twin flame connection but into separation, a reconciliation or a reunion might take place in the month of in this month, or after 2 months, maybe October or November will be the place for reconciliation for you guys who are into separation. Okay, so yes, and the people who are into soulmate connections, so you will have a good opportunity to work towards improving this connection. Okay, financial life, you are moving away from a lot of deceptive energies. Okay, if financial issues were there, you are understanding and gaining a clarity who was that person in the past who tried to manipulate you, m- tried to use you, who was dishonest with you. So you are gaining a lot of clarity with the same. So be careful with the financial part, guys, because I think that a lot of past person might come back to check you out and to use your finances in a bad manners. Okay, so just be careful from toxic people, toxic situations, toxic lifestyles. Okay, so yeah, guys, for some of you, money is stuck and you are waiting for the money to come. So money is about to come after 7 months from now. Okay, you money will be recovered. Okay, and for few of you, you are releasing all the burdens and baggages. If you had into a married life, you are releasing all the toxic energies, toxic situations when it comes to your married life. Okay, you have a lot of stuck up energies in the career life also. So if your career life was not that good, you are releasing all those energies, Leos. Okay, yes, you are ready for a new beginning. A new beginning is about to happen for you guys in a relationship. I don't know what, but yeah, a new beginning is about to happen for you guys. Sorry guys, I was not comfortable while sitting, so that's why I changed. The Fool. A new beginning is about to happen. You will be taking a leap of faith, taking a risk about a new life. Okay, so a new beginning is definitely going to happen for you guys, for sure. For few of you, karmic cycle has been released. Okay, and with that, toxic energies, toxic situations, toxic people. So endings are there, and new beginnings are there for you guys. Okay, and just a celebration is about to happen, a reconciliation or a reunion who are into separation or and into a twin flame connection, a reconciliation is about to happen. A lot of creativity is about to happen. Okay, so yes, it's all about wish fulfillment. 9 is all about wish fulfillment. Okay, so a wish is about to come true for you guys. A celebration is about to happen. Happiest, joyous energy is there. So okay guys, so yes, sorry, I was doing something, that's why. Okay, so our wish is about to come true for you guys. Okay, in the month of August, a lot of new possibilities when it comes to financial stability, a lot of abundance is about to happen. Okay, if you were juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions, then you are going to make a wise decisions. A lot of new opportunities and possibilities are about to happen for you guys. Okay, the source, you are going through some major spiritual awakening, guys. Okay, major spiritual awakening is about to happen for you guys, and which is really good. Why? Because you are understanding the facts about your life, about the life for purpose, about yourself. Okay, that's the beautiful energy, a lot of positivity I'm seeing. So July will be the month, Leos, where you will be taking action, you will be gaining a lot of clarity, you will be planning about your future stability, future abundance is on the horizon for sure. And also a new beginning with the past person, or a twin flame connection is about to happen. And those who were dealing with karmic partners, and ending in a relationship is about to happen for you. Few of you, a reconciliation or reunion might happen who are dealing with the twin flame connection or soulmate connection. Okay, so beautiful energy, positive energy. August will be the month for the for getting a positive vibes. Okay, reconciliation might not happen this month, after 2 months it will happen, but you will start getting those dreams, universal messages that it is about to happen. Okay, so I'm seeing very soon it will be happening, like it will be happening like very quick. Okay, within no time, it would be like that. Okay, so yes, so the healing message for sadness, if you are sad about something, about your relationship or something like that, things come easier to others. My mind has always been in the clouds. The universal message for you guys is that I'm able to see things through a different perspective, and I clearly communicate what I see to others. Beautiful. You're extroverts. And I know that. Why? Because every one of us, like usually, way less people are extroverts over here. So it's the best thing. Okay, so the archangel for the month of August is Archangel Raziel. And Archangel Raziel is all about encouraging you to embrace the gifts of clairvoyance, prophecy, and the great mysteries. Okay, so you like, getting out of mysteries, understanding about mysteries. Okay, you feel very very, very, very much interested. Okay, so the message from the Archangel Raziel to you guys is that I see through appearances and bravely follow my intuitions without hesitation. Illusions fall away in front of me. I'm grounded, focused, and courageous. I'm willing to take chances and try new things. So you are an adventurous Leo because you have a strength, and I am a Leo, so I know that. Okay, so your archangel gemstone for this month of August is Pietersite, pure Petersite, Petersite. It looks like that. You can Google it. So the message is: are you aware of everything that is going on around you? So the message from the archangel to you is: take the time for some inner reflection. Improve your ability to notice when people are true to their word. Everything is not always as it seems. Have confidence in your intuitive side. Beautiful. You have to be very intuitive, okay? You have to be very understanding. You have to be very you have to focus on yourself, your inner soul. Okay, so self inner reflection would be the best thing for you guys. Okay, so yeah, sorry for the background sound. I cannot help it out because I have few kids. I have, like, this is a vacation going on. Okay, so many people have come to live here. Okay, so I cannot help it out, guys. So you need to manage for a few days more. Okay, but yeah, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, and kindly comment down below. I hope this resonates with you. Okay, or few of the Leos out there. Okay, chalo. Okay, bye bye, guys. Bye.